What's up YouTube? So, bit of a quick update on where I'm up to and what's been going on. So basically I haven't made a decent project or done anything major in my shed since about Christmas. Part of that was just due to I had some time off at Christmas, and then I've been really busy with work after that, and then I kind of got into a bit of a funk of not pushing myself to keep going every week, every opportunity that I get. And basically for the last 8 months I've been taking every opportunity every single week that I can, that I don't have family or work, that I put into the shed. And so I was feeling a bit burned out, in a bit of a funk, and so I've sort of chilled out on the shed for a while. I have a tendency to sort of have, you know, ups and downs with the shed, and so basically I'm in the mindset of trying to get myself back up into making again. And I love when I'm up there and I'm doing it, but as soon as I stop for too long, I get complacent about it and I don't push myself. And so yeah, that's basically what's been going on. And so I'm just going to throw up a couple of fun little bits of me trying to work on my wood storage today, which has kind of been my way in, and it gives me a chance to sort my shed a bit more, organise a few things, get a few things packed away, and so I can start fresh. I've got some new tools, well, not new, like second hand, but they're new to me, which is going to be really cool. And I've got some old second hand stuff that I picked up that I'd like to clean up and hopefully do a couple of cool projects on coming up. So yeah, if you want to stick around and check that stuff out, that'd be sick. On Instagram, YouTube, the whole lot, that'd be peace, that'd be sick.